Do you want to know how you can check grammar using QuillBot? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can check grammar using QuillBot. So let's go ahead and start with the video. Open any type of browser and search for QuillBot. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and make sure that you have logged into your QuillBot account. Now what you need to do is click on Grammar Checker and write down any text. If QuillBot thinks that there are some problems with the grammar, it will be shown on the right hand side. You can tap on it and you can see that the grammar has been removed. So you can see I've written something and the grammar is incorrect, and on the right hand side the correct notations are given. You can click on it, and as soon as you click on it, the grammar will be corrected. So guys, this is how you check grammar on QuillBot. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.